Here's something that's very important for all deer hunters to know about deer vision, but especially bow hunters who have to get in close range to deer. Deer have a slot-shaped pupil in their eye. And like our eye, the eye can dilate, the pupil can open to allow more light in during low light situations, but the pupil is slot-shaped like this. And because the deer's eyes are generally on the side of its head rather than on the front like ours, together the two slot-shaped pupils give deer a broad band of vision along the horizon. That allows them to detect motion and danger approaching along the ground in a broad area all the way around most of their head. But what happens when the deer tilts its head down to the ground to pick up food? Well, the eyes rotate independently in opposite directions like this. They spin so that once the deer's head is down, those bands of horizontal view remain intact. The deer still is monitoring the horizon around it, even though its head is tilted down. This spinning is called cyclovergence, and a deer's eye can rotate about 50 degrees when it happens. Our eyes cannot do this. If you put your nose to your plate of food, all you're going to see is your plate of food. But that's because we're predators. Our eyes are on the front of our faces like other predators, and deer are prey animals. Their vision is designed to help them detect danger. So what does that mean for a bow hunter? It means if you're in close on a deer and you're trying to draw your bow and the deer's head is down picking up food off the ground, but you can still see its eye, it can still pick up motion and see you draw your bow. So be very careful. Ideally, you'd like to get the deer's head behind a tree or some brush, or it facing completely away from you. In other words, you can't see either of its eyes before you try to move and draw your bow.